I just got paid over $60 just by playing games that didn't even take me up to 60 minutes. And the good news is that in this video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide of how you are going to create your account in this website. I'm also going to be sharing with you games that I played and got paid. Don't tell anyone.
Imagine a platform that immediately after registering your account, they are going to be giving you free £1, which is equivalent to about $2, just to tell you welcome to the platform. And immediately you click on the cash out button, it's going to take you directly to where you can withdraw your money. Wow. And if you want to be sure if my payment proof is actually from this website, all you have to do is just to watch this video to the end.
So if it's your first time seeing this face, this is Coach Emilia David, and on this platform I share money making updates that really pays. Please help me underline that, money making updates that really pays, because I do not share something that I'm not sure of. Any platform that I try and it's paying, I'm always coming over here to share it with you, baby. No dulling moment. We're gonna make this money, and we are already doing that because a lot of my students are really hitting a whole lot of pounds and dollars. So if you are here to join my WhatsApp support group, you are missing a lot, and it's time for you to go right under the bio of my channel and tap on the link and join us. So as I was saying, this platform actually pays you to perform a whole lot of tasks. There are so many tasks you can perform on this platform and get paid, such as you giving your opinions about some company products and services, and you get your money right into your account. And another thing you can do on this platform is to play games. You can play a whole lot of games. There are some, let me gist you. There are some games that actually pays you even £200, £300, just a single game from this platform. So what does that mean to you? That at least every day of your life, you're going to be hitting something reasonable from this platform. So let me also tell you another thing you're going to be doing on this platform. You can spin wheels. Like today, I got over £30 by spinning a wheel. So one thing about this platform is that whatever you spin and get is what they are going to be giving you. If you spin the wheel and get an iPhone, this platform is going to give you an iPhone. So I know by right now you will be saying, Emilia, cut the whole story. Let's jump into the platform. So let's stop wasting our time on Iva. Let's go there and start making our money. And don't forget, let me tell you something. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, because a lot of updates are just coming. I have so many updates that are really paying that I want to share.
And obviously, if you look here, you see that this is one of the many payment proofs I've gotten from this platform. If you read below, you see where this payment proof is reading September 2025. That's to tell you that this payment is just very recent. If there's nothing else to assure you, at least I'm promising you at least £1 in your accounts at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and create our account. So for you to work on this platform, the first thing you're going to do is to walk down into your browser and type progra.uk. So this is the name of the platform here, progra.uk. So once you are done, just search for it, allow it to load. And once it's done loading, it's going to show you this interface. You can see this is how the platform looks like. You can see where it says earn £500 plus. So just go ahead, scroll down, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. So this is where we are going to tap to start making money on this platform. This is just a bright button you need. So once you've gotten here, just go ahead and tap on that start earning. Then just be patient and allow it to load. So once it's done loading, Program is going to show you that particular button where you are going to enter your email, your name, your first name, and your password. That's all you need to register on this platform. Because I've already entered my name, my password, and my email, it showed me this interface. You can see where it says verify your email address. So all we are going to do right now is to jump into our email, the email we used on this platform, and check if they've sent us any mail. So before you do that, just make sure you have already you have already made this browser your default browser, so that once we tap on that link, it's going to take us directly into this platform. And just for you to know, don't skip any part of this platform, because I'll be sharing important things you need to know about this particular site. So right now, let's go into our mailbox. So right now I'm in my mail, and you can see this is verify your email address from Prograd, and all you have to do is just to scroll down, and you will see where it says hi there. So just scroll down, you will see their link. So after scrolling down, I saw the link to register on this platform. So since I've made that browser I was using as my default browser, all I need to do right now is just to tap on this link, or you click here. Any one of them will work for you. So let's go ahead and tap on it. Just be patient and allow it to be done loading. So you can see we have successfully verified our email. So you can see it says welcome to Prograd, wants a quick tour. So you can see explore Prograd and get a little gift from us to get you started on your money making journey. So right now we have £1 if we want to take a tour on this app. So what else are we doing if not to take a tour and see how the platform looks like? So right now, if you skip, you are skipping off this £1, and I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss this reward. So right now, let's just take a tour and claim our reward. All you have to do is to tap here. So let's tap it right now. And you can see we have gotten it. It says, yay, you just unlocked £1.6. That's so sweet to hear. Thank you, Prograd. I'm grateful. So if you scroll down, you're going to see again, it says, easy, you have made your first bag. So we have currently bagged £1. So it says again, we reward you with real money that you can access in your Prograd wallet. So all you have to do right now is to continue to tour around. Just tap on continue. And again, you can see it's as easy as that. It says this is the balance in your wallet. So just look over here. It's telling you this is the balance in your wallet. You can use it to cash out real money on the cash out page. So this is next. Just tap on next and let it go away. So this is the interface here. This is the interface. So we have already gotten our £1. So we are still taking a tour on this platform to see how it works. And if you look here, you'll see that this is the minimum. This is the minimum. So now just go ahead and tap on next again. Don't forget, we are still taking a tour on this platform. That's exactly what they are taking us through for us to see how the interface of the platform looks like. So now you can still tap on next if you wish. So over here, it says you get rewarded for completing different types of online tasks. We call it side hustles. So it says click one you would like to get started with. So over here you can see, oh my god, can you see this one is going for £3 for you to take surveys. So if you want to play game, you can play a game and you're going to be rewarded with £274. Oh my god, that's a whooping sum of money, you know. So this is another one. This is £83 if you play Monopoly Go. Monopoly Go is actually a game. I've played the game. It's very interesting, but if you are not good at playing games, it might take you a long time to complete it. So that's one thing you should know about Monopoly Go, but it's very interesting. It's something you can just give to your child. If you have a child who is very good at playing games, let's say you are a mother and you don't have that kind of time playing games, you can give it to your son or your daughter or whoever lives with you to help you play them. So the same applicable to this fish of fortune is also very interesting. I simply love the game. It's very interesting. It can keep you busy while you are even making money from it. So now let's scroll down and see what is in here for us. So over here it says you get rewarded for completing different types of online tasks again. So just keep scrolling, and we have a lot of games for you here. This one is going to pay you £192. This one is going to pay you 231 pounds. This one is going to pay you 188 pounds. Isn't that much? So now keep scrolling. Let's keep scrolling. These are more games. This is phase 10. I have played phase 10 and I love it. Even though it's not really paying that much. It's paying only 45 pounds, but the game is also interesting. This is CoinChef. So if you want to play games, you can also go for CoinChef. CoinChef is also very interesting. And also, I want to let you know that you can also download their app. If you wish to download their app, you can get it on your Google Play Store. This is it here where you're going to click to get it. You can see where it says download the program app, make money wherever you are. So right now, if you are interested in making use of the app instead of logging into the website all the time, you can go ahead and also make use of their app. So you can see there are so many things you can do on this platform to get paid. We have surveys here, we have cashbacks, you can also earn from cashbacks on this platform. So this is free trials, this is games, so a lot of things you can do on the platform. And you can also look at, this is wallet, this is giveaway, this is learn and earn. You can also make money by just spinning their offer wheel. So you can see I just got 30 pounds for spinning. You can see it says, yeah, you just unlock 30 pounds. So nothing goes for nothing, So for you to get that 30 pounds, they insisted that I must complete this game. So if I'm able to complete this game, I'm going to get 30 pounds as well as 225 pounds for just completing this game. So that's so good enough. Let me just show you where you are going to click for you to get here. So this is where I spend it here. All you have to do is just to tap on the spin and scroll down. You will see spin over here. You see spin instead of this timer. You will see spin if you haven't spin before. So you just spin it and that's just it. You can see another one here. It says you are on fire. So I already have 4,350 points. So I have to just perform all the tasks to claim all of this, which expires in 14 days. So I must finish playing that game for me to get this. So now let's just go back. So this is exactly where you are going to click if you want to come to the offer wall. So this is the offer wheel, rather the spinning the wheel. So that's it over there. So there are so many other things you can also do on this platform, and if you have questions that you need answers to, you can come over here and ask your questions. If you want to log out of this account, maybe you want to create a new account, you can also log out. So now let me also show you, this is your profile. So now let's tap on it. Let's see our profile. See that ugly face? Can you see the ugly face telling me that my profile is still very, very low? The face is so angry. So we have to complete our profile. You can see where it says complete your profile and earn 117 points. Oh my goodness. That's another way to make money from this platform, just by completing your profile. So what are we waiting for? Let's just hit the complete button and complete that shit. So now tap on it. So over here is where we are going to enter. So it says you are looking good. You can always switch avatar. So if you don't want this avatar, you can just choose another avatar. Here is where you're going to complete this. So you can see this one is just 14%. So if you want to complete that, you can just click here to complete your demographic. So over here is your skills. Go ahead, tell them about your skills so that they will know the kind of surveys that they are going to be providing for you. So now let's go further. Over here is your preferences. So just tell them what you prefer and all of that. Click here, and once you complete here, it means that your profile is already strong, and they also give you the opportunity to choose your currency. Oh my goodness, what a platform that allows you to choose your currency. Can you imagine? So if you want to change your currency, so this is exactly what you are going to be tapping on. Just tap on the inner button there. So over here you can choose your money to be in dollars, or in pounds. But I would advise you, why do you even want to change your currency to dollars instead of pounds when you know that if you are currently in Africa, your money is going to be bigger when you convert your currency from pounds to naira or um whichever currency you are using in your location, like Ghana cedis and all of that. So now if you want to go ahead and change it, you are free to change it. Also have the ability to close your account. If you are having issue with one account and you want to create another account, you have the chance to close down your account, unlike so many other sites that do not allow you to create another account once you have closed down a particular account. Even some website won't even allow you to close your account at all, but this platform allows you to close your account if you don't want it again. So that's just basically all you need to know about Prograd.uk. It's a very sweet platform to work. So if you also want to earn from this platform, apart from taking surveys and playing games, do you know you can also win free giveaways? So if you take a look at the latest winner here, you're gonna see Brittany. So this is my friend's account that I'm the one managing for her. So she just got paid £35 from this giveaway. So you can also earn from the giveaways. If you look here, you are going to be seeing this. So you are also awarded with some of those things when you get paid from any of the games, surveys, and the rest. So the gems you gather from the surveys and the games that you are going to be using to win any of those things. You can win Apple Watch and all of that. So now let's take a look at the learn and earn session. So let's just click on it. So over here is where you get paid to learn. So this is actually how it was. This platform is very good. I so much love it because there are so many ways you can earn. So if you look down, it says take the next lesson on your journey to mastering money and earn while you learn. So if you click down, if you scroll down, you will see £2 for learning this. So you can see this is Introduction to Crypto and Web3. So if you complete the whole of this lesson, this platform is going to pay you £2. Isn't that good for just 10 minutes of your time? And if you want to start immediately, just tap on start lesson and immediately you will get paid from this platform once you complete the tutorial. So that's just it. I so much love this platform. If you want to jump on it, please let me know in the comment section. And if you are still watching this video up to this point, please drop your comment for me. Let me know that you are still watching up to this point. I have a special gift for you. You look here, you're going to see their payment method and you can see how far you've gone. So this is their payment method here. They pay through PayPal and they also pay through Visa, Amazon and the rest. So if you want to see more, just go ahead, tap on PayPal. Let's see what's going to happen. So if you tap on PayPal, you can read this payment method, the notes. You can go ahead, read it. It says your points value would be paid in cash to your PayPal wallet. You will need to enter your email address associated with your PayPal account and verify your email. So if you want to cash out right now, all you have to do is just to go ahead, enter your PayPal email address and make sure that whichever email you are entering here is actually your PayPal email address. So it mustn't be the exact email you use to create account on this platform, but just make sure that the PayPal email you are entering is actually associated to your PayPal account so that you'll be able to receive your payment. So that's exactly how this platform works. What do you think about this platform? Do you think it's something you're gonna give a try, having seen my payment proof to show you that this platform is actually working? So what do you think about the platform? So guys, that will be the end of this tutorial. Just go ahead, create your account ASAP. Don't even waste time on it. And if you don't mind, you can share with me your progress in the WhatsApp support group. If you haven't joined our WhatsApp support group, I don't know what you are still waiting, because a lot of things are going on in that WhatsApp group where we share a lot of informations, even so many sites that I don't share on this platform. My students are always sharing them in the WhatsApp support group so that you can be earning along with them. and you can also ask your questions there. So if you know you haven't subscribed for me, I still don't know why you are still waiting this long. Just tap on that subscribe button and click on the notification button as well, so that whenever I drop any new update, you will be the first to get the notification. And prayer, that will be the end of today's tutorial. See you in my next video, and don't forget, my next video is gonna be a bomber, so I'm sure you don't want to miss that tutorial as well. I'll be dropping the video very soon, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel. See you next time in my next video. I love you. Ciao.